Hello guys, welcome to my channel Egam Android. Today I will be unboxing and making a quick review of the Xiaomi's true wireless earbuds. So these are actually a great buy if you're into the wireless headphone market and considering something that is not overpriced or expensive. So these are a great starting point if you want to switch to wireless headphone stage. So we're gonna unbox these and I'm gonna take a look, connect to these to a phone and say to you guys how it actually is. So let's start with the box. So I know there's a lot of copy of this headphones because these are some popular headphones actually, and there's so many people actually making copies of this right now. I hope this one's original though. I probably think it is original, but we'll see that. Let's just get this wrap off. Okay, there we go. So this is the box itself. Let's take a look at the box, and here it is. Here as it says, Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic. So these are the lowest spec ones, guys. So these are the 2019 versions, I believe. I don't remember actually. Basic, so these does not have touch controls. These are just you're clicking to them, so it's not touch control. So it has a charging case, Bluetooth 5.0, and independent wireless design. It says it focused finally. So here's some specs for you. You know, charging case has 150 milliamp hour. Battery capacity is 300 milliamp hours. The 300 milliamp hours is probably the case. Yeah, probably. So yeah, this is the box as it seems. Looks very light. That's a light box. And let's get to unboxing of this, guys, without making any further ado actually. So as I said, these are a great option if you want to switch to the wireless world and you know don't want to pay like way more, like 120 200 bucks for a wireless earphone. Like what if you don't like it and you want to go back to your wired one? So these are a great starting point. Oh okay, so okay, here they are. This is empty. And here is the earbuds itself. So let's put that to the side and take a look at some other things, what comes in the box, etc. So these are your ear and wing tips, as I believe. Yep, they are. So you know you can get a better fit in your ear if they do not fit with out of the box to your ears. So there's a different ear tips, and here is a manual about how to use it, a warranty notice. So okay, and I cannot see anything else. There's no actually a power cable. I was expecting a power cable, but well, there isn't a power cable, so okay, I guess. And yeah, let's take a look at these guys. So these look actually fairly decent. This is plastic build, of course. Let's just put that plastic to the side. And oh, okay. You open them up. Here they are. Let's take a look at the buds. There's a plastic which has been poorly placed. Let's take a look at the other one. Okay, this plastic is off too. Hinge feels meh, in my opinion. This is not a quality hinge. I mean, it's like 20 bucks or something, so you won't be expecting so much quality in this, guys. So but let's take a look at the box first. So from the outside it has a very subtle Mi logo on the top, which is kind of nice. On the back it has a micro USB port, though I want to remember this charges with micro USB. There's no type C or you know wireless charging on this guy. This is just micro USB charging. And on the bottom there are some specs of you know some certifications and etc. Let's have a look at these guys. Made in China and blah blah. So many other things actually are on the bottom of it. So there's, in the front there's a you know a lid to open it up comfortably, And on the inside, these are super simplistic, by the way. Yeah, these are incredibly simplistic design. So here is the buds itself. Let's take this buds away from the box for a moment. And inside you have your charging contact points and the buds casing itself. There's no LED lights on the box at all. This is just the buds itself. There's no LED lights of charging case. Which this feels actually fairly, I don't know, light. Maybe it doesn't even has like a charging. I really don't know actually. So here are the buds themselves. As I said, these are the basic versions. So you hearing this? This is not touchpad. This is just pressing. Okay. So this is the right one. This is the left one. So
wow.
alright, these doesn't actually look bad. I liked how it looks actually. The looks is kinda nice on this, and the minimalism on the box is insane level, so it's actually a great looking in my opinion. So oh there it is. As you can see, after taking the contact points off, they both have lights on them, so they charge, I guess. Yeah, they charge like this. Okay, cool. So now I have to connect this to a phone. Let's see how easy is the pairing process. Alright, I am back, and this device is gonna show is there any devices that we can connect right now. Let's search. If I open up the lid, is it gonna connect? Do I have to know anything for these to connect? So it didn't see them. What if I have to, you know... Oh, there was a light. Oh, there's a light. Okay, so I use this for like a 30-minute right now, and these are a great starting point if you want to get into wireless headphone market. So, you know, if you want to try something new, you know, lose your wires, if you're making so many, you know, going to gym, etc., etc., these are a great starting point. These are cheap and doesn't sound too bad. And, you know, it's a great actually option. This is a great value for the price. The thing is, it has LEDs on the front right here, as I said, and it has a blue LED right here. I really don't know what that means, but it just stays on all the time. I don't know why. Oh, yeah, as you can see it from some angle. You cannot see it on some angle, which is, again, weird. As you can see, you cannot see it now, but now you can. Maybe that light isn't there. I don't know. It confuses me. It is there. It is there for sure. Anyways, to connect them, you just take them out of their case, and if you're seeing like this guy, like the right one flashing, this means they're on pairing mode, so they're searching for a device to connect. So I tried it on my old device, and somehow this didn't saw them, and I was like looking through tutorials on how to use this, and since the instructed paperwork is just about warranty, I couldn't find anything about how to connect them. So I was like, wait a minute, how did that happen? But now I learned how to connect to them, but I didn't try that. On my main phone, they were in this mode, they just paired right up, no problem whatsoever. So yeah, and the sound quality is decent for the price you're paying for. It is actually great sound quality for the price you're paying, and the hinges I literally got used to, and this feels a lot better actually than the Galaxy Buds' case, you know what I mean. Anyways, these is a Xiaomi's True Wireless basic earphones. As I said, these are the basic model, not some advanced thing, so you're clicking, and that clicking thing is a bit tiring actually. So I tried it for like 10 minutes, and clicking to them is not the ideal. I would have preferred a touch sensitive one. So if you want, you should actually get the touch one. I think it's called the Xiaomi True Wireless Basic S. These are just the basic ones. So if you can go over to Basic S version, go for them, because touchpad would make your experience better. So when you're connected to your phone and listening to music, one tap just pauses the music, double tap skips the track, and triple tap on the left one increases your volume, and on the right one it lowers down your volume. So weird. I would have preferred going back to the previous track, but it is what it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video too. And thank you so much for watching the video, and see you on another video.